Tired of project chaos and inconsistent results? In the next 90 seconds, I'll show you how to build repeatable processes in Asana, turning your team into a well-oiled machine. First, let's create a new project or use an existing one for this example. We'll call it Content Creation Workflow. Click the plus button in the left sidebar and select Project. Choose Blank Project and give it a name, then select a view, either board or list, whichever you prefer. Now, let's map out our process. Each column in board view or section in list view will represent a stage in our workflow. For our content creation workflow, these stages could be idea generation, drafting, review, editing, and publishing. Add new columns or sections by clicking the Add Column or Add Section button. Time to populate our stages with tasks. Each task represents a specific piece of content, like a blog post or video script. Click Add Task under the appropriate column or section and give your task a descriptive name, for example, Blog Post Top 5 Asana Tips. Now, let's add details to each task. Click on the task to open its details. Here, you can assign the task to a team member, set a due date, add a description with detailed instructions, and attach relevant files like briefs or style guides. Don't forget to add subtasks for smaller steps within the main task. To standardize your process further, use custom fields. These allow you to track specific information relevant to each task, like content type, target keyword, or SEO score. To add a custom field, click Customize in the top right corner, and then add field. Choose the appropriate field type, like text, number, or dropdown. Finally, save your project as a template. This allows you to quickly create new projects with the same structured workflow, ensuring consistency across all your content creation efforts. Click the three dots next to the project name and select Save as Template. And that's it. Now you can standardize any process in Asana, boost your team's efficiency, and kiss project chaos goodbye. Remember to subscribe for more Asana tips and tricks.